Unit Spirit. This is Sana. And this is lesson 6 from block 5 already. Yeah, and it's getting darker and colder outside. We don't want to. Okay, we did a new topic and it's called groove walks. Groove walks. We did our basic out and in, out and go to out to or back and forward and back and forward. We could play with it by moving forward. Sorry, I think you could do this 5 times. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 2. And also we can play with it. So 1, 2, 4, forward and back. 1, 2, 2, boom, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Maybe we can move backwards. Maybe we can move after our 2 stops. Move forward. So there's so much possible. Maybe we can do it something new. 2, 2, 2, 2. From the outside. So we did the inside leg. We can do the outside leg maybe. This is so cool. And we can dance on high-speed music. We danced this evening on 170. Great result. And that was our class. Thank you so much.